I left that nigga on red, cause I felt like it. Dress me down in that rash and Leroy jacket.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Fernanda, if you guys don't already know, and today I created this gorgeous look. I am gonna go see the Super Bowl, and I'm gonna go eat at Buffalo Wild Wings because that's fucking fire right there. So I'm gonna go eat there, and this is the look right here. Was so requested. The hair was requested, the makeup was requested, everything. So I'm gonna have both the videos. The hair should be up before this makeup one, so the hair should be up. If you haven't watched it, I'll be linking it down below, and also if you finish watching this, it'll come up on the screen, so you guys can just press it and it'll like show up. So yeah guys, this is my makeup right here. If you want to see how I created this gorgeous look, then make sure to keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video before you leave. So if you want to know how I created this gorgeous look, then make sure to just keep on watching.
So I'm going to be using the Morphe X James Charles palette. Yes, girl, you know I love this palette. I'm going to be using the color B because it's so bright and it just like popped out in the palette. Like, girl, I got to use this shade. So I'm going to be applying this shade all over my eyelids. I'm going to be packing this around 3 times because, girl, you need that bomb ass yellow pigment, you know. So you need to be applying this about 3 times, you know, so it just looks popping. And I am going to be applying this with my Morphe E28 brush, and then I am going to be blending this. Right now I am blending because, you know, you don't want it to look too streaky, too thick, you know, you want it to look bomb. So we're going to go in with the orange. It's called 518. I know it's a weird number. I don't even know what that number means, but it's 518. And I'm going to be applying this inside my crease. And I'm just going to try to wing it out a little bit. I'm not going to wing it out too much, but it's going to be a little bit winged out. Then I am going to be applying even more because I want this to be like a little bit more pigmented, so you will be able to see the orange. The next shade I'm using is 10% off, and it's not like an orange or brown. It's just like, I don't know how to describe this color, but I'm going to be placing this in my crease, and I'm also going to be winging it out. So you're going to see me wing out this shade as well. So just make sure you do wing it out and just try to build the color. The next shade I'm using is called No Beans. It is a dark brown. So it's very dark brown. I'm just going to be applying that to my crease as well. Just going to be doing the same steps as I did to the other shade. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing. And then I'm going to be grabbing Benny. It's like a dark brown. And I'm going to use like a pencil brush to just like really put it in there, in that crease, and just put it in the crease. And then I'm going to be going in with a blending brush, and I'm going to be blending it out. The Glamour Flaw Concealer by Heart Candy in shade Light is what I'm going to be using for my concealer. So you guys already know this is a concealer I always go to. So I'm just going to be cutting my crease. And I'm just going to be setting the concealer in place because, you know, you don't want it to transfer anywhere. So I did the eye off camera, and now I'm going to be going in with the shade called Ring Light. It is a very nice shimmer color. I'm going to be applying it to the inner part of my crease, and it doesn't really catch up on camera how good this shade is. Like, it's really bomb. The colors I'm going to be using is Code James, 10% off, No Beans, and Benny. I'm going to be using all those shades. First, I'm going to be applying 10% off, No Beans, and then I'm going to be applying Benny. And in the front, I'm going to be applying Code James. So those are all the shades I am going to be applying. And I am going to be applying some lashes. These are the Ardell 252 lashes. This style is so bomb. You guys really need these because they're like not too dramatic, and they're just like not too like simple. They're just like the perfect lashes. For foundation, I'm using the Superstay by Maybelline in 312. And I'm just going to be applying this all over my face with a beauty blender. Yes. You just want to make sure you apply it on your neck because you don't want it to be a different color like your face and your neck. I'm using this Anastasia contour palette, and I'm going to be using those two shades, just mixing them together for my face because I feel like those two colors are just like perfect. Like they look really, really good. To clean my bronzer up, I'm going to be using the Fit Me powder in shade 25, and I'm just going to be cleaning out my contour. Then I'm just going to be taking it off with a big fluffy brush. The setting spray I'm using is this one. It's a Smashbox. It's primer water, and just going to be spraying this all over my face. For highlighter, I'm using the Tartelette Pro Glow, and the shade I'm using is called Stunner. And I'm just going to be applying this on my cheeks, my nose, my cupid's bow, my forehead, and a little bit in my inner corners of my eyes. I'm going to be applying spray again one more time, and then I'm going to be fanning it out. For lipstick, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in Ashton. It is a very bomb-ass nude. If you guys don't have this, you guys need it. For sure.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the end of the look. This is how my makeup came out. It came out super bomb and pretty. I feel like it did. I love my hair so much, and I didn't have a tutorial on it, so I'll be posting the tutorial of my hair first, then my makeup. So this is how it came out. I am gonna go to the Super Bowl, and I'm just gonna go change and everything so I could be all ready or whatever. But this is how it came out. It's so fucking bomb. Like, I feel like it's so pretty. You can pair it up with the red lips or like pink or whatever you feel like, but I like brown. Nudes are my thing. So yeah.